All right, today we're going to discuss some radicals. I'm going to go over two radicals today. The key thing about radicals is that they're very helpful because radicals give you clues to the meaning of a word. And sometimes they also give you clues to how a word is pronounced, sometimes. Today we're going to discuss these two radicals, this one and this one. This one is pronounced shi. So this is a word and it's also a radical, and it means corpse, like dead body, and it usually has a connection with the body sometimes when you use it. So when you see this and it's part of a word, it might give you a clue as to that word's meaning. And this word shi combined with shui, water, so body water. Hey, my friend, you want to learn Chinese? So we have body water, and body water is urine or pee. So shi plus shui, body water, is usually urine or pee. Niao, niao, sa niao, niao niao, pee. The next word is shi plus bi equals pee. See, this word is very skillful because you gotta like exaggerate and use a big puff of air, almost like you blowing a piece of paper, like pee, pee, pee. And that means fart. 放屁, 屁股, that's like your buttocks or your ass. The next one is a shi combined with a xue. So body cave. Body cave is pronounced bi, which is like vagina. This word I've seen pronounced two ways. Sometimes it's a xue or xue, xue wei, like pressure point. I've seen it pronounced two ways, xue, xue. And so when you have bi, cao bi, which is to fuck pussy, and the next one is chou, like stink, chou bi, like stinky vagina. The next one is shi plus mi, which is rice, so body rice, which is like feces, shi or shit, shi. 狗屎, dog shit, 屎虫, dung beetle, 屎虫. The next radical is yue. This is very common. It means like a moon or month, but it also deals with the body. So yue plus gong, which is like work, equals gang, like the anus. Gang, so you're dealing with the body. To gang is prolapse, the prolapse anus. Gang man, so this means door. Anus door is the anus. Gang man. The next one is yue plus, this is pronounced two ways. Gan, ganzao, like dry, like the noun, or the adjective or noun. And this is also pronounced gan, like the verb. 你在干什么? Like 干活. Beijing people will pronounce. And also, so you have gan yan is like hepatitis. Gan zang, going down, fourth tone. Gan zang, that's a liver. The next one is yue plus ba, usually has to deal with the tail, like 尾巴, 尾巴. 肥胖, 肥肉. The next one is yue plus tu, dirt. So body dirt is dealing with the belly. 肚子, 肚脐, like your navel or your belly button. 肚脐. The next one is So sometimes it's pronounced two ways. Du, the next way to pronounce is du, du, duza, duza. That's like the tripe, or like the animal intestine or the animal belly. La, la duza. But this one you can't pronounce du. You have to pronounce du, la duza. And that's like when you're suffering from diarrhea. La duza. So these are just a few radicals. Radicals are good to know, like I said again. It helps give you the clue to a word's meaning. And sometimes inside the word, there's also a part of the word that gives you a clue to how the word is pronounced, about 50% of the time. And this is just a quick radical lesson. Thank you.